Hi friends, in this video I'm going to give you the quick demo of new application that we have developed for the drawing. This application will create the section views just by selecting the view. Yes, we all know that when we create shop drawings, we can automate the process. But what about if you want to create additional sections? For example, when you have truss, staircases and handrails, creating section views manually takes time. But let me show you how this application is going to save you time. Just double click to open the application. You can see the attributes on this side. So you can select the view properties, section mark attribute, section mark offset, dimension, scale, and other properties. When you click on the part, you have two options here. Secondary part prefix and identifier. When you keep this prefix on and select the part, let me just remove this. Click the plus sign, so it will read the part prefix. If you choose the second option and click the plus sign, then it will read ID number of the part. This option will allow you to create the section view only for the selected objects. But if you want to create for all the parts, just click outside. Let me remove this. You don't have to click the plus sign. Select the view. You can select either front view, top view, or bottom view. Let me just select the front view and then click create. This creates the section view outside your drawing sheet, and it will also create the dimensions to the maximum extent. After creating this section view, we can use another application to align the views inside the drawing sheet. So let me just double click and open the arrange drawing view. I'm selecting all these section views. I'm going to use this first option, arrange selected views inside 2 points, and then this should be ordered by tag A1. If you want to see the full video of this arrange drawing view, please go to my website tools page. Let me change this option to view origin and select this option. Pick the first point and second point, so your sections will be arranged between the 2 points. This application will definitely help you save time in drawing editing. If you have any specific question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.